In this video, you'll learn how to create recurring bills in QuickBooks Online so you can automate regular expenses and avoid missing important due dates. First, open QuickBooks Online and click the New button at the top left of your screen. From the menu, select Bill. This opens the standard bill form, just like you would use for a one-time expense. To make it recurring, go to the bottom of the form and click Make Recurring. This switches the bill into template mode, allowing QuickBooks to reuse these details automatically on a schedule. Give your template a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you have multiple recurring bills. Now, fill in the bill details as you normally would. Choose the vendor, confirm the bill date and terms, and enter the expense details. Use the Category Details or Item Details section to assign the correct account. If needed, split lines and add quantities, rates, or taxes depending on your setup. If you track classes, locations, or projects, include them here to keep your reports accurate. You can also add a memo for reference or attach a file if you have supporting documents. Take a moment to double-check the amounts and accounts to avoid repeating mistakes in future entries. Next, set the schedule. Choose how often the bill should repeat, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Set the start date for when you want QuickBooks to begin creating the bills. If there's an end to the agreement, add an end date. Otherwise, you can leave it open. When everything looks correct, click Save Template. QuickBooks will now automatically generate bills based on your schedule using the details you entered. These bills will appear in your list, ready for you to review and pay. That's how you create recurring bills in QuickBooks Online and keep your expenses organized automatically.